On this episode of Bugs' Life, we will be observing the life of the Coneius Strawpilus. Here is the wild Coneius in its natural habitat. The Coneius lives most of its life on the ground in the temperate deciduous forest. However, when looking for prey or when threatened, the Coneius will take to the skies. Bzzz.
We're breaking free! Soaring, sliding. There's not a star in heaven that we can reach.
Notice that the Coneius has many mechanisms for survival in its habitat. Its eyes are very large circles which allow it to see far distances and to spot prey from the air. The oval-shaped wings provide the Coneius with the ability to fly above the trees. The Coneius has a sphere-shaped head and a hemisphere-shaped body. It also possesses several triangular spikes along its back and on its tail, which are used as defense mechanisms. The Coneius Strawpilus is a highly evolved insect that has a long, spiked tail that is used to strangle and constrict its prey. The Coneius Strawpilus possesses a unique straw-like appendage that is used for sucking up tiny bugs, as well as draining blood from other organisms. The Coneius is also equipped with a cone-shaped horn that is used to stab things, and amongst males is used during competition for mates. The Coneius Strawpilus reproduces in a way very similar to bacterial conjugation. The male uses its straw-like appendage to penetrate the back of the female where the eggs are contained. Female Coneiuses lay up to one egg at a time. After a couple of decades, the lone egg will hatch into a larva. After a few hours, the larva will begin metamorphosis. Here is the Coneius wriggling around in his cocoon. Within the next few days, the Coneius Strawpilus will emerge from its cocoon as a full-grown adult. After breaking free of the cocoon, the first thing it will do is hunt for prey. No one is quite sure how long the bug lives because research is still being conducted. It is estimated that the Coneius could live indefinitely with enough food and water. While filming this episode, we interviewed the person who first discovered the Coneius Strawpilus and a researcher who specializes in this field. How did you first discover the Coneius Strawpilus?
Well, we actually have some footage from the initial discovery.
Sir, how do you believe that this unusual and fascinating insect came to be on Earth?
Aliens. Research
is still being conducted on the Coneius. It is truly a unique creature in a class of its own. Thank you for watching this episode of A Bug's Life.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. Let them feel it. And I'm still in the murder business. I can hold you down like I'm giving lessons in physics. Right. I'm so fancy. You are